but I can make an explosion.
This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song.
I believe we can do anything. But at the end, we all have our own weaknesses. So weaknesses necessarily not a failure. Hi everyone, my name is Caroline Redubla Hardiniano. I'm a faculty member assigned to Center for Student Mission as an Associate Director for Admissions and Testing Unit. I'm a mother of 2 sons and wife to Joseph Hardiniano. My eldest son is active in school councils, as well as my youngest son who is also active as an altar servers and a former vice leader of Boy Scout of the People. Aside from academic role, I am currently serving as a president for Kiwanis Club of United Dasmariñas for administrative 25 to 27. And I'm also a spiritual representative to campus ministry, where I'm so grateful that I'm able to serve both in faith and missions. Our mission vision is focused on the children of the world. We have signature projects like feeding program, Boy Scout of the Philippines. We're also serving the others like medical missions. We have 21 members with our club. And I'm so proud that most of our members ay engaged or employed dito sa Lasal. Ang sarap pala mag-serve, especially with the children. Kasi lalo na ngayon, nakikita namin talaga yung mga issues and concern ng mga bata. Lalo na yung may mga time, kaya one of our programs, feeding program, kasi may mga bata talagang walang makain. At yung through Kiwanis, kahit na 500 pesos na yung mga contribution namin, kasi as I mentioned, hindi to funded. It came from our own pocket. Pero with those amount, mas marami kami nakikitang batang nakamit. And siguro yun yung mas masarap na fulfillment as a member of this international, or Kiwanis International, or this club. Kasi in a simple way, I can share whatever I have. So yun lang ay enough na for me. Hindi naman lahat, pero mostly ay babae. As of now, our new prospect project is the Isip Suri, which is also handled by our College of Liberal Arts, particularly to the Student Council ng Liberal Arts. Isip Suri is basically the psychological assessment given to the public school, kasi ito yung mga walang assessment before the end. Ito yung mga may special needs without assessment that they need to articulate in order to know what is their status when it comes to their physical and mental aspect. At this point, actually, my main struggle at that moment is having a multiple responsibilities as a mother, as a wife, and as a leader now. Actually, and aside from that, as a friend and as a sister and as well as a daughter. So marami talaga siyang rules. But then, kaya tinanggap ko itong pagiging president ng Kiwanis Club, that we are nominated or elected, not because we are good, but we have a mission to serve with purpose. So parang it is not, I'm not accepting it para for popularity or parang maging mas mataas ka among the members, but to serve with others, not only from your family, but as well as to those who in need. Okay, don't stop being a mother. I love being a mother kasi dalawa lang naman anak ko. We are a daughter, we are a sister, a friend, and a woman full of dreams and passions. Gawin mo pa rin kung ano yung gusto mo. Alam ko mahirap kasi talagang house chores pa lang. So, di ba, parang so drain ka na, gusto mo na matulog, ayaw mo na lumabas. But eventually, we are human. So sometimes we need to be babied and feel like Disney princess. So women pa rin tayo at the end. I believe we can do anything. But at the end, we all have our own weaknesses. So, necessarily, not weaknesses necessarily not a failure. But pero ito yung way natin to stop, to rest, and to acknowledge other potential. Kasi kung di, ikaw na lang magaling. And then, yun, stay well.
Babae, ang iyong lakas mula sa malasakit.
Ang tatag na mula sa iyong puso,
ang bawat pagsubok na iyong hinarap.
Ang bawat sakripisyo.
ang bawat tagumpay.
Hindi sapat ang salamat para sa tapang na iyong taglay.
Babae, laban, bangon, sulong.
Iba't ibang mukha.
Iba't ibang istorya.
Hindi ka nag-iisa.
Laban lang, Pilipina.
But I can make an explosion.
This is